Are you feeling stuck in your current life situation? Are you struggling with your current relationships and feeling helpless? Are you facing financial problems? Are you facing problems with your career? No matter how you work hard, but still you are not getting your desired results. You are unhappy in your life and you are seeking fulfillment in your life. If you are relating yourself in this scenario, then this video is for you. Yes, you can change your life in just 7 days. Hi, I am Samrita Pandey. I am a business coach, mind coach, NLP expert and healer. I want to provide you the solutions of all the problems you are facing in your life now. I am conducting an workshop for 7 days to transform your life. It would be a very intense workshop and completely free workshop, but we have only 100 seats here. If you want to join this workshop, please click on the link below and join the WhatsApp group, and we will provide you the date and time and the Zoom link there. But please don't call in this number. This is for only message purpose. My humble request to you all guys, that if you are dedicated to complete these 7 days, if you are serious about getting solution for your all the problems you are facing right now, you are promising me to give 20 minutes for the next 7 days, then only join this workshop. Otherwise, please don't waste your 7 days, and it would be easy for us to reach those people who really want help. After the completion of 100 seats, we are going to remove this link from the description. For any circumstances, if you are seeing this video late or for any reason you are not able to join the group, please don't lose your heart. You can follow me on Instagram and we will notify you there for the next workshop. And if you have any queries, you can DM me also on Instagram. Instagram link is in below. Please like this video, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't have to miss any important upcoming videos on life transformation.